good morning, and welcome back to my channel. I know the setting is a lot different than my usual like sit down videos, but for today's video I just wanted to sit down and casually just get ready with you guys because I got a lot of PR packages for the past couple weeks and they are mostly makeup products, and I haven't had the time to try them out because I'm just like on the go. I'm just like, I don't have time to try out some new items right now. But today's Sunday and I just wanted to chill and film something for you guys. So for today's video we're going to be trying out a lot of new makeup products. Anyways, I've done enough talking. As always, you can follow me on my Instagram to see all of my outfit of the days or just like random stuff. I'm on there 24/7. I know guys, it is not healthy, but I am a lot more active on there than here on YouTube. So anyways, like I said, if you guys would like to see me get ready, just go and keep watching and let's go and get started. This is my bare face right now. I have a pimple right here because Mother Nature is about to pay me a visit. First of all, before we go ahead and do that, I actually just want to spray my face with the Moya Bodescu. Ooh, I tasted it. It's just a really refreshing spray for the face. This is called the Precision Brow Pencil and it just looks like sorry. This is in the shade Soft Brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows really quickly. Actually, that is a lie. It takes me a while to do my brows. I'm so sorry. I've been slacking on the YouTube videos for the past few weeks. I've just been in this like kind of weird funk and I feel like everyone's going through it right now. It is May. That means that one more month until my birthday, and I think for my birthday we're going to Vegas. So that's really exciting. I'm not usually someone who goes out a lot to like go clubbing and stuff like that. I think I'm just going there just so I can like have a reunion with all my friends more than the whole partying stuff, because I think I skipped the whole going out part in my life. Like I think I went from 12 to like a 7-year-old because I prefer staying at home and just like, you know, watching movies rather than going out. And I don't even say that to be relatable to some people. Girl, we are having a good eyebrow day today. I feel like I should have asked you guys questions to ask me in this video. The eyebrows are done. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. This is something new. This is the COVERGIRL Full Spectrum. It is a mattifying skin primer. It also has an SPF of 20. So we're gonna go ahead and, ooh, she just came out like that. She just squirted like that. That's what she said. It looks like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. We're gonna go ahead and move on to foundation. This is the Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation from COVERGIRL. This is from their Full Spectrum line. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so I would say that this is a medium coverage for just the first base, but I need full coverage right now. I'm feeling full coverage. And let's see if it covers my imperfections because I'm actually kind of breaking out right now because I've been stressed and yeah. But also you guys, I've been working out a whole lot. I've been trying out a lot of fitness classes and I'm really happy. I promise you it looks nicer in person than like what my camera is showing. I think it's probably because like my saturation of my camera is bumped up a little. This one is the light medium neutral. It is a neutral shade, so hopefully this one will work. The concealer is very creamy. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. Wow, I really like the concealer, guys. Okay, I'm a fan of the concealer. Apply that on my brow bone. Now for powder, they have the Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation. We're gonna go ahead and use this one right here. It's just a random brush I have. The excess. And set the whole thing, I guess. It makes my skin look so airbrushed. Oh my god, wait. Guys, do you see this? It looks airbrushed. Like, what is going on? Now, since I did use the same shade as my foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a lighter foundation powder and just apply it to my under eye, my chin, and like basically where I put the concealer just to brighten up the look. Blend everything with this puffy brush. Guys, I'm literally so freaking shook right now because it looks so freaking like clean and airbrush. Like, how? What just happened? Let's go ahead and do our eyes, but we're gonna go ahead and take just this first color right here. Guys, I don't know makeup. I do what works for me, so please do not come for me. LOL. We're gonna go ahead and take the shade right here. We're gonna take this really gorgeous like rose gold right here because it's corresponding to the one that we use on our crease. My eyelash curler is from SHEIN. I got it from Ulta, and honestly it's like the best eyelash curler I think there is, and I rarely have any eyelashes and it like curls every single hair. For mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist Hydro Fuge. This is the waterproof one in the shade Berry Black. This isn't from this line, but they sent this to me as a PR a couple months ago, and honestly it's what I've been using. And you guys, look at this. Look at my lashes, okay? Look at my non-existent lashes plus after I apply this thing. Look at the difference. At least I think it's different. Like, look at this eye and then this eye. For highlight and blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette, and this is what it looks like. This is in the shade Rose Rush, and they have a couple more, but these are the shades from here. I've been loving the whole like really bold pink blush lately, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. This one has like little shines or shimmers into it, so oh girl, this is so pigmented. So I'm gonna go ahead and lightly just brush this. I like this blush. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna use the middle shade right here because it's a lot more gold and I am tan. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush right here. COVERGIRL. Look at that. So this is the lipstick I'm using. It's also from COVERGIRL. It's brand new. It's like a dark nudish. This is like my lip color, guys. Look at that highlight. Oh my goodness. Alrighty guys, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun trying out new makeup. Again, all of these products are from COVERGIRL. I put the exact name or collection of the items that I use. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to try out new items. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I'm very active on there. It is @farina.aguinaldo, and yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.